Has a lot of good products. It has a lot of good ingredients, like, so I wish. What am I saying? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen my face before, I'm the Miss Nicole Marie. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this makeup look that I have on for you now. This is a natural summer makeup look. This has been my routine for the entire summer, and I've been showing you guys what it looks like pretty much every video because this is the only makeup look I've been doing in the summer. I don't like to go too crazy. I like a very natural look in the summer. So if you want to keep watching this video and see how I achieve this look and the products that I've used, please keep watching and we're going to go straight on into the video. Alright, so I am makeup free, ready to get started on this natural summer makeup look. And actually the first thing that I do now is moisturizer. This is very important, especially for the summer months because it's hot. My skin can get pretty dry in the heat, and it's just good for a natural skin barrier with the sun. So I'll show you the two favorite moisturizers that I use now. So I first go in with this Aroma Naturals High Vitamin K cream. It has vitamin A, C, and K. This I got from one of my Amazon videos that I tested out, and I actually really love this product. It's like anti-aging, antioxidant, super moisturizer, and it promotes even skin tone and reduces redness, reduces stretch marks and scars and stuff like that. So I really love this, and it gives me a good base to work with. It says right on the bottle that it can be used under makeup. So I go in with this every morning, every night. And I do put this underneath my makeup. So I first go in with this one. I already put this on this morning, so I'm not gonna reapply it, but this is a great moisturizer. And then over top of that, yet again, I use the CeraVe Ultralight Moisturizing Lotion. This I also tested out in a video from, the TikTok skincare products and stuff like that. This is really good because it is a sunscreen. It has SPF 30. And it has a matte finish, so it's not going to make you shiny and oily, which I really enjoy. And it has a lot of good ingredients like ceramides and hyaluronic acid, so I really like this. I haven't put this on yet. I usually put this on right before my makeup or right before I'm about to go out, and this is just really good. You're supposed to wear sunscreen every day, even if you're indoors. Just learned that out this year too, so we're gonna put this on. Alright, so now that I have my two moisturizers on, I'm going to go in and start with my makeup. So first product that I use is actually the concealer, and I use the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite. I just started wearing this one. It's a very good full coverage look. Even though I'm not going for a full coverage look, it's going to be very natural at the end. I like to put this on my spots and definitely under my eyes as well, so that's what I'm gonna do today. And I have started using the more lifting effect where you go all the way up and out, and this is something new that I've learned from TikTok. They teach me everything. And I kind of just go right in on the side of the nose because my nose needs a little bit more full coverage. I'm gonna go in. I got some spots down here that are pretty bad. I like to cover those up. If you're wondering why I'm looking over here to the side, it's because I have my mirror. So this is basically all that I like to do for concealer. Then I'll just blend out right under the eyes where I have it, and then I like it to keep the areas where my spots are on for a little bit longer, let it dry down so it's a little bit more full coverage in those areas, and then I'll just go on with the rest of my makeup. So we're going to blend this out with my damp beauty blender. Yes, it kind of needs just replacing at this point. It's got some marks already on it. It's very dirty. I will clean this afterwards, but I didn't really have time beforehand, so we're just going to blend this out. Alright, so now that my under eyes are pretty well blended out, so So I'm going to keep the areas where my spots are and make sure that they are really concealed. I don't want to blend those out. So I'm actually going to go in with this little guy here. I got this a while back in one of my care packages from my cousin. And this is a soft matte liquid bronzer for the face. I'm going to go in with this next, and that will kind of soften it up, and I'll put my rest of my makeup on top of it. So I'm going to go in and put them right here, a little bit around here, and maybe also down my chin as well. Alright, now I have my bronzer on. We're going to go in with the rest of my makeup, and I'm actually not going to use a foundation during the summer months. I like to use a BB cream, and I use the Maybelline Dream BB cream. I actually just started using this year, and I really like the look that it has. It's a very natural, subtle look. It doesn't leave me super dewy or super matte, which I really like. And this also has SPF in it, so it's good, you know, wearing it during the summer months when you're in the sun. So I'm going to go on and put this all over my face. I put it straight onto my damp beauty blender. I usually need a few pumps of this to actually fully cover my face. And then I just spot it on wherever I need it, and I blend it out. Right, and I'm going in with yet another. I do need like 2 or 3 like pumps of this to fully cover my face, because it is a very, very light BB cream. Not trying to go too heavy. I feel like it just soaks into my skin really well. Alright, this seems to look pretty good. I use only 2 pumps today. Sometimes I need more, sometimes I need less, depending on how much concealer I need to use and stuff like that. So today only 2 pumps, which is good. Now this kind of has a natural dewy looking effect, so in order to make sure that the concealer doesn't crease and it's a little matted down, I will go in with a finishing powder. I've been going in with this Extraordinary translucent powder. I haven't found like a favorite translucent powder, but this one doesn't make me look very cakey, whereas a lot of the other translucent or setting powders do make me look cakey. So I've just kept in using this one. I just pour it into the top and use a big fluffy brush and kind of pack it in right under the eyes. And then I kind of just go in all over on the rest of my face. Right, and then after I'm done putting it on the rest of my face, I just wipe off the little excess because I packed it on a little bit more under my eyes. Just wipe that off, make sure everything looks smooth and not too cakey, and then I will move on to the eyes. Alright, so the next thing I like to do is go in and curl my eyelashes. I like to do this a little before I put on the mascara, just to make sure they're all curled. Alright, and after we curl the eyelashes, I go in with the eyebrows. I'm starting to use this L'Oreal Brow Stylist Boost and Set. This is like the first time I've used something like a liquid eyebrow thing. I actually really like it because I do have ginger like dye in my hair now. So I like having my eyebrows a little bit darker, and it just makes it look a little bit more natural, and my eyebrows are very light blonde color. So this does make it a little bit lighter, even though this is in the shade blonde. Most of the blondes are too dark for my blonde, but that's okay. We want them a little bit darker, so I'm just going to go in and brush stroke them up, make sure it's a little bit darker on the outside and a little bit lighter on the inside. Alright, so these are the brows complete. I know I'm not the best at brows, so don't come for me in the comments because I can't do brows. I know that, and I do just try to make it a little bit more natural looking, because if I try to do something crazy, it's not gonna look good. But next up, I'm going to go in with this jumbo eye pencil, and I have it in white. I'm basically going to go on the bottom part of my waterline and just fill that in. It kind of makes my eyes pop a little bit more, which I like. It doesn't look too unnatural either, so I like to add this into my summer routine as well. And that's basically just the white eyeliner on the waterline. Doesn't make too big of a difference. It's not like noticeably out there that it has white under my eyes. It kind of just makes my eyes pop a little bit more, make them a little bit bigger. So that's why I enjoy doing that. Next up, we have mascara. I've been using the Voluminous Lash Paradise one. This one tends to not smudge as much. I have a problem with smudging underneath my eye. I don't know what it is exactly, if my eyes just get watery or if my lower lash line or my lower lashes are like just too close. They rub on my skin a little bit too much. I don't rub my eyes, so I don't know why it tends to smudge all the time, but this one seems to smudge the least. So that's why I've been going with this. If you have any suggestions on mascara that doesn't smudge, or if you have the same problem and you found one that you like, please comment down below. I'm trying to find something that doesn't smudge at all. I haven't found one yet. This is the closest I've gotten. Alright, and this is the mascara all on. Again, I like the look of this. It does look like my lashes are decently voluminous, but not too outrageous. So it's a good natural look. Next, we're going in with a little bit of highlighter, not too much. We just want that nice summer glow. I found one that's not too extreme, is the e.l.f. highlighter, and this one is called Moonlight Pearls. I really like this. It gives it a very natural looking highlighter glow. So this has been one of my summer go-tos. If I can open it, there we go. And I just put it on a little fluffy brush like this, so it's a little bit more accurate in where I want to place it. And I put it in most of the normal places, right up here on the cheekbone area. I also really like to put it right under my eyebrow bone right here. It kind of tries to make it look like a lifted brow. Sometimes it doesn't always work for me. I might need a more pinpoint brush for this. And then I just oop on the nose as well, a little bit on the bridge and right here, and repeat to the other side. Last few steps are the lips and of course setting everything together. I go in first with a chapstick. My lips get very chapped in the summer, it's very drying, and I use a sun defense one that says SPF at 25, because you do not want to have the experience of your lips being burned. Yes, they can burn, so make sure you put an SPF on your lips. And then to have a more natural look, instead of going on like a full lipstick, I do like to use the Blossom color changing lip balm that I have. This I did try again, my TikTok beauty and skincare products. I really enjoy this one. It gives it a very natural look, even though mine arrived broken. It smells like strawberries, tastes like strawberries. I love the smell of this, and a really nice natural pink look to your lips. So I really enjoy this one. I love this color for my lips in the summer. It's a very natural looking lip balm. I love the color of it. I love the smell. I love the taste. It just reminds me of summer. So next up, we're going to lock everything in, make sure it sets for the rest of the day. Now I've been using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. It's supposed to be 16-hour wear. It's not one of my favorites, honestly. I'm still looking for a good setting spray that's gonna have like a matte finish. This one will work for now. Alright, so that should really set everything in, hopefully. And then throughout the day, I do have a lot of SPF on. I have SPF Moisturizer on, which is a SPF 30, and then my BB cream is also SPF 30. And then I do have, of course, my lips SPF 25 as well to help with the skin protecting throughout the day. But if you find that you need more, you're out in the sun all day long, I've been using this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Face Mist, and this is a sunscreen SPF 55. And this has instantly refreshing and protects your skin with an invisible finish. So you spray this on throughout the day and you will be good to go. So I really like this if I've been out in the sun all day wearing my makeup. I don't want to, rub anything on top of my makeup. So this sunscreen face spray is really nice. And if you need some of this during the summer, you can pick it up pretty much anywhere. I think I got mine from Walgreens. It should also be in Target, I believe, as well. So this has been a lifesaver that you don't burn if you've been in the sun all day. So that's all I have to show for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the natural summer makeup routine that I have been going on and doing pretty much all summer long. This is a pretty straightforward routine that I do now. So if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know down below. I'm not sure how many people really like watching my makeup videos because I'm not a professional. I don't claim to be a professional in any sense. I am just trying to figure out some different things that I like and showing you the products that work for me. By the way, if you made it to the end of this video and you want to see a skincare routine, I have finally perfected my skincare routine. So if you want to see that, I have a morning and nighttime skincare routine. I can do a video for you. Please comment down below. Let me know if that's something you want to see. I know not too many people probably make it to the end of my videos, so please comment down below. Let me know if that is a video that you want to see as well. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Click that bell notification so you're notified of every time I post a brand new video. If you enjoyed watching today, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out knowing what you guys want to see and what you guys like to see. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!